Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Scania Camper Motorhome is redefining the standards of luxury, power, and functionality in the mobile living world. Built on Scania's trusted heavy-duty truck platform, this camper blends the rugged reliability of a long-haul vehicle with the opulent comfort of a high-end apartment on wheels. Designed for serious travelers and nomadic adventurers, the 2025 Scania Camper is more than just a motorhome. It's a fully integrated living experience engineered for those who demand performance without sacrificing style. At its core, the 2025 Scania Camper is powered by Scania's updated 13-litre inline-six engine, available in both diesel and hybrid configurations. The diesel variant produces up to 540 horsepower, while the hybrid model offers seamless transition between electric and combustion modes, significantly improving fuel efficiency without compromising on torque. The vehicle features an advanced 12-speed Opticruise automated gearbox that ensures smooth gear transitions and enhanced drivability, even in challenging terrains. Built on Scania's R-Series chassis, the camper offers superior stability, durability, and handling, making it capable of long-distance travel across diverse environments from alpine roads to desert highways. The exterior of the 2025 Scania Camper is a statement of modern industrial design. Its aerodynamic bodywork, LED lighting systems, and optional solar panels create a sleek yet sustainable travel experience. The motorhome is available in various configurations ranging from 10 to 13 meters in length, with expandable slide-outs that increase internal space when parked. The exterior is also fitted with high-capacity storage compartments, a retractable awning, and integrated outdoor kitchen utilities for alfresco dining. Interior design. Inside, the Scania Camper feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The living area is crafted with premium materials including hardwood floors, leather seating, and ambient LED lighting. A full-sized couch, recliners, and a 4K smart TV with satellite connectivity create a home theater experience. The driver's cab seamlessly integrates with the living space and includes a digital cockpit with a panoramic touchscreen dashboard, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree camera systems for easy maneuverability. Kitchen area. The kitchen is a marvel of compact luxury. It includes a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and ample storage in high-gloss cabinetry. Countertops are made of solid surface Korean or optional marble finishes, providing both beauty and durability. A retractable dining table and booth seating accommodate up to 6 people, ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. Bedroom area. Sleeping accommodations are equally impressive. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, overhead skylight, and smart lighting. Built-in wardrobes, underbed storage, and a separate climate control system ensure optimal comfort. Additional sleeping options include a fold-out double bed in the living area and optional bunk beds in family configurations. The bathroom rivals those in boutique hotels, offering a walk-in rain shower, porcelain toilet, backlit mirror, and heated floors. Technology plays a central role in the Scania Camper experience. The onboard control system connects to a central smart hub or mobile app, allowing users to manage lighting, temperature, water levels, solar power input, and battery status remotely. High-speed satellite internet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity come standard, making it suitable for remote work and entertainment. Safety is paramount in the 2025 model. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring, blind spot detection, and electronic stability control. The reinforced body structure and integrated fire suppression system add extra layers of protection. In terms of sustainability, the hybrid drivetrain and solar energy integration reduce the camper's carbon footprint. Water recycling systems and energy-efficient appliances further support eco-conscious travel. Whether used for full-time living, extended road trips, or digital nomad lifestyles, the 2025 Scania Camper Motorhome is an elite travel companion, promising freedom, luxury, and reliability on every journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.